Hi, I'm Ty. In this tutorial, we'll take a closer look at the Osmo and its features. The key feature that sets the Osmo apart from any other camera is its integrated Zenmuse X3 camera and gimbal stabilization system. The gimbal keeps the camera stable and level at all times so that you can capture smooth video even on the move. It lets you move the camera remotely and also opens up a host of creative options for still photography. The X3 camera has a powerful sensor that captures 4K video and detailed 12 megapixel photographs in Adobe DNG RAW for almost unlimited editing and refinement. When you hold the Osmo normally, the back of the camera will be facing you. You can rotate it to face you or wherever you like by hand or by using the joystick. This micro USB port lets you connect straight to your computer for easy transfer of photos and videos. Now on the right side of the camera is the micro SD card slot. The Osmo ships with a 16 gigabyte memory card installed and can utilize cards as high as 64 gigabytes in size.